Hello guys, I'm Yasir. Today in this tutorial we will discuss about plug valve. Okay, just to make your learning organized, be informed that this tutorial is actually in continuation to our discussion about treating equipment, and in treating equipment the high pressure treating equipment or treating iron. Okay, so talking about the plug valve, let's start our discussion with the question that what is a plug valve. So the first answer to this question is that the plug valve is one of the component of high pressure treating iron, and it is used to control the flow rate in the high pressure discharge manifold or the discharge line. The other name of the plug valve is low torque valve. Okay, so when we say low torque valve or plug valve, it is actually the same. And the third name of this plug valve is hammer valve. Talking about the types of a plug valve, most commonly there are two types of the plug valve. The first one is the 2x2 plug valve, and the second one is 2x1 valve. As you can see in this video clip, the bigger valve, the bigger valve is 2x2 valve, and the smaller valve is 2x1 valve. Talking about the flow rate, the bigger valve, that is 2x2 valve, it have the maximum flow rate of 8.5 barrel per minute, and the smaller valve, which is 2x1 valve, it have a maximum flow rate of 2.5 barrel per minute. Talking about the application or the use, this 2x2 valve will be used in the high pressure manifold or the discharge line, whereas the other valve, this 2x1 valve, will be used in the bleed off line. Okay, we have discussed that this 2x2 valve is used in the discharge line, okay, or the discharge manifold. So this one is the discharge manifold. So here we can see this 2x2 valve has been used. This one is also 2x2, and then here we also have the 2x2. So this is a pump manifold, and in the pump manifold discharge lines we have 2x2 valve. Okay, talking about the use of 2x1. This 2x1 valve is used in bleed off line. As you can see, this is a fluid line and this is its bleed off line. Okay, so this 2x1 is installed in bleed off line. Okay, and now we will understand the working of the plug valve, that how does it work. For that we need to get the help from these pictures. As you can see on this screen, here we have the components of the plug valve. Okay, so time we will just see this component, which is called the plug. Okay, this component is called plug. Okay, so this plug is actually inside this housing or inside the body of the plug valve. You can see in this plug we have a hole. Okay, so once this hole is in line to the flow path, the valve will be open position. Okay, so here you can see in the open plug valve, this hole is in line. Once we rotate or move this handle, and this hole is out of the line of this center line of the plug valve, it will be in the closed position. So in short, this plug actually is making it open or close. Okay, now we will see some operating guidelines related to plug valve. So the first point to remember while working with plug valve is that the valve bar should never be left inside the valve. Okay, whenever you operate the valve, after that you should remove the valve bar from the valve. Okay, second thing is that whenever you are not using the plug valve, keep it in open position. Don't keep it in closed position, as it will result into the rusting of the plug, which will later result in the leakage of the valve. Before pressurizing the valve, just double check the valve position, that it is in closed position. If it is not, make it in the closed position. and after each job do the proper greasing, that is high pressure greasing of the plug valve. And this point number 5 is also very important, that don't use the valve for the choking purposes. Okay, it is only to open or close the line, not to like to choke the flow rate, that you want to make it like from 2 barrel 3 barrel. You cannot adjust the flow rate with the help of the valve is just used to close or open the flow passage. So that was the brief discussion about plug valve. I hope that you got some understanding about the topic. So thank you very much. See you in the next